Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present about next generation all IP architecture in mobile communication. This topic explains how mobile networks have evolved from traditional systems to modern IP-based systems. First, let's understand the basic idea. In the past, mobile networks mainly used circuit switching, which means a dedicated connection is created for each call. But today, networks use packet switching, where data is broken into small packets and sent efficiently through the network. This change improves speed, flexibility, cost efficiency. Now let's look at the existing architecture, which is the traditional mobile network design. It mainly uses circuit switching and focuses mostly on voice communication. Main components include base station, MSC, mobile switching center, PSTN, public telephone network, IN, intelligent network. This diagram shows how the traditional system works. Step by step, user connects through a base station, then data goes through a circuit or virtual circuit backbone. After that, it reaches the MSINT, which controls calls, then connects to PSTN, telephone network, other services via IN. Important point, a dedicated path is created for each call, even if it is not fully used. Now, what are the problems in this system? It wastes resources, only supports voice efficiently, not suitable for video or internet, high cost, low flexibility, so this system is not suitable for modern applications. To solve these problems, we introduced all-IP architecture. This system uses packet switching. Everything runs on IP, Internet Protocol, supports voice, video, data. One network handles everything. In IP architecture, we have IP core network, open IP standards, third-party applications, host applications, internet connectivity. This allows easy integration with modern services. This diagram shows how modern networks work. Step by step, user connects to the network. Data is sent as packets. Everything goes through the IP cloud. It connects to internet, enterprise networks, PSTN, no dedicated path. Resources are shared efficiently. The advantages of all IP architecture are high efficiency, lower cost, better performance, supports multimedia, scalable and flexible. This is why modern networks use this system. Let's compare both systems. Old system to circuit switching, new system to packet switching, old system, low efficiency, high cost, new system, high efficiency, supports all services clearly, all IP is better. In real life, old system to traditional telephone networks, new system, 4G LTE, 5G, VoIP apps like WhatsApp, Skype. These all use IP architecture. To conclude, mobile networks are evolving towards all IP architecture. It provides better performance, lower cost, more services. Future networks will be fully IP-based.